student. So lastly we have explained about the linear equation in two variables, then condition for linear equation, and then the solution, types of solution of linear equation. And now today we will discuss with the linear equation graph related to linear equation. The last year also you got the graph. Now this is the now this year two equations will be present in the single graph copy. But remember, graph you have to use a graph copy as I'll show, but you have to draw in your graph copy only. Okay. So let's see. First of all, suppose x plus y equal to 4 implies x equal to 4 minus y. And then what is the solution? Three set of solution. You have to get x, y, then y 0, x 4, y 1, x 3, y minus 1, x 5. So 4 comma 0, 3 comma 1, then 5 comma minus 1. Now another equation, let's see. X equal to twice y. Then what is that? X, y, y 0, x 0, y 1, x 2, y minus 1, x minus 2. So 0, 0, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 1. Now let's see. X dash, y dash, y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here, as I did not use the actual graph, so that's the reason I have marked it. But in your graph copy, it is not needed to graph. Mark it because already it is marking the 10 small square. Every 10 small square it will be dark line, and then in between the 10 small square there will be light line that is divided into 5 small square. Okay. So let's see. I'll take 10 small square equal to 1 unit. 10 squares equal to 1 unit along both the axis. Now first of all 4 comma 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 comma 0 on x-axis. Then next 3 comma 1, 3, then 1. So this is the 1. The next 5 comma minus 1, 5, 5, then 1. This is the 1. Now draw the line. Draw the line. This is the first equation. Okay. Now second equation, 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is this one. Point of intersection of the two coordinate axes. Then 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. The next minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1, that is which quadrant? Third quadrant. First, second, third. So minus 2, minus 1. So this is the 1. So please draw the line. So this is the point of intersection. Now this is the point of intersection. Now what will be the point of intersection? Can you tell me that? You see it is x plus y equal to 4 and x equal to twice y. Yes or no? So that means if you solve also, then also what it will happen? It will be fractional number. It will be fractional number. That is 4. It will be 4 by 3. Y value will be 4 by 3. Then y, if you substitute, then what it will be? 1 by 3. So that means it will be fractional number. So this is the number. So coordinate you can take out. That will be 1 by 3. If you solve it, I will show you afterward. So as of now I did not show it. So see, just you substitute this value, x twice y plus y equal to 4 implies thrice y equal to 4 implies y equal to 4 by 3. And then you substitute this value here, then what it will be? It will be x equal to 4 minus 4 by 3. That means it will be 12. 12 minus 4 divided by 3 equal to 8 by 3. So this is 8 by 3, comma 4 by 3. Remember one thing, in exam there generally a question used to come that solve graphically, find the point graphically. Then graphically, sometimes what happened, you cannot get the from the graph. It sometimes if fractional number, then it will be complication will come. So in that case, what you can do, you can roughly calculate what is your point of intersection, and then finally you substitute. Okay, thank you. Now next, let's see. Now I told you that exercise 3.1 as a homework I have given. Exercise 3.1. Now there, actually why I have done this one, because exercise 3.1 they are asking you solve graphically. But there will be a very big point, so which will not be possible for me to draw here, and that is the reason I have taken some other question. Now let's see. Question number 2. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats, 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls for the same kind for 1,300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically, geographically, geometrically. Algebraically and geometrically. Geometrically, that means graphically. Geometrically means another one. See, this is the geometrically. You know that number line is the geometrical representation, okay, and graphical representation is the graph. Okay, so let's see. Let let price of a bat be. Question number 2, exercise 3.1. Let price of a bat be rupees X and price of a ball be rupees Y. According to question, thrice X plus 6y equal to 3900. Another one, you see, x, another bat and 3 more balls. So x plus thrice y equal to 1300. Now, first of all, you have to see whether they have what type of equation. These two equations have what type of solution. See, first of all, let's see. 3 you take common. X plus twice y equal to 39. So then, what will happen? Implies x plus twice equal y equal to 1300. This is the first equation, and next equation is x plus thrice y equal to 1300. Now let's see. You can check for the unique solution or not. A1 equal to 1, B1 equal to 2, C1 minus 1300, A2 equal to 1, B2 equal to 3, C2 equal to minus 1300. So ultimately A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, as 1 by 1 not equal to 2 by 3. So unique solution. So graphically if we represent, we'll get a unique solution, that means intersecting the line. Okay? Clear? Number 3 you do by yourself. Now let's see exercise 3.2. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems, find their solution graphically. Last one it was geometrically, that is this way. Now this one is the graphically. So let's see, start right. Let number of boys be x and number of girls be y. According to question, see, in a class 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematical quiz. So x plus y equal to 10 implies x equal to y minus 10 minus y. And then you take out the solution. X, y, y0, 10, 1, 9, minus 1, 11. So 10, 0, 9, 1, 11, minus 1. The next one is if the number of girls is 4 more than the boys. If the number of girls is 4 more than the boys. So girl is y. So y equal to x plus 4. So take out x 0, y 4, x 1, y 5, x minus 1, 3. So 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 1, 3. Now you have to solve it graphically. So let's see. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first one 10, 10, 0. So I have to extend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to just adjust a little bit, because according to these it will be not possible. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is x. So first 10, 0. So this is the one. Next is 9, 1.
So this is 9, this is 1. And last one is 11 comma minus 1, not possible, you represent. And then the line will go this way. Line will go this way. Okay? You please extend that line. Okay, now this one, let's see. 0 comma 4. So 0 comma 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. So this is the one. The next minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 3. 3. So see. This is the equation. So this is your point of intersection. You can solve it. Okay, graphically. So this is the 1 remand 1 1, 1 remand 1. The next one, it is given question number 2. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out what are the lines representing the following pair of linear equations. Intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. Parallel means no solution, coincident means infinite solution, and intersecting means unique solution. That means we have to check A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, we have to check. So let's see. Question number 2, Roman 1. 2, Roman 1. So what is A1? A1 equal to 5. B1 equal to minus 4. C1 equal to 8. A2 equal to 7. C2 equal to 6. And B2 equal to 6, C2 equal to minus 9. Now A1 by A2 equal to 5 by 7. B1 by B2 equal to minus 4 by 6. So see, last day also I told that if both the equation, if you see, ratio if you see, you have to see whether both are positive or both are negative. If one is positive and other is negative, then definitely they are not equal. See, this is positive fraction and this is a negative fraction. So definitely it is not equal. So if not equal, what is the answer? Answer is that intersecting lines. So pair of linear equation intersect at a point. These are 2 Roman 1, and then let's see next one. Let's see Roman 2. A1 equal to 9, B1 equal to 3, C1 equal to 12, A2 equal to 18, B2 equal to 6, C2 equal to 24. Now let's see. A1 by A2 equal to 9 by 18 equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 equal to 12 by 24 equal to 1 by 2. So see, all A1 by A2 equal to 1 by 2, B1 by B2 equal to 1 by 2, C1 by C2 equal to 1 by 2. That means all are equal. If all are equal, what is the condition? Condition is that pair of linear equation are coincident. Pair of equations are coincident. That means, once again I am just reminding you, if you draw a graph, it should be, this is one equation. If this is one equation, other equation will be maybe this way. That means one over the other. That means both the equation will have the same set of points. Clear? So number 3 will be homework. Roman 3, homework. Okay? Homework you can do, and you can send me in my WhatsApp. If you have any confusion, I can show it next day's class. Okay. Now next one is question number 3 on comparing the ratios. A1 by A2 equal to A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Find out whether following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. What is the condition? Consistent. If the pair of equations are consistent, that means either unique solution or infinite solution, and inconsistent if they have no solution, that is parallel lines. So let's see. Once again, same condition you have to see. See, even though that question number 2 itself I can explain you. See, here what we got, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Yes or not? Then, that means they are intersecting equation, intersecting line. If intersecting, that means pair of equations are consistent. Okay? Consistent. Pair of equations are consistent. Similarly, this one you see, this one also, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 equal to half. That means pair of equations are consistent. Clear? Is it clear? Now let's see, any one of these I will show whether inconsistent or not. Let's see. Roman 4. A1 equal to 5. B1 equal to minus 3. C1 equal to minus 11. A2 equal to minus 10. B2 equal to 6. C2 equal to 22. Now let's see. A1 by A2 equal to 5 by minus 10 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 equal to minus 3 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 2. C1 by C2 equal to minus 11 by 22 equal to minus 1 by 2. That means all are equal. So given set of equations are what? Consistent equation. Consistent. Okay? If it is no solution, then it will be inconsistent. The next one. Which pair of following equation of linear equation are consistent, inconsistent? Same condition. If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Remember, if consistent, then only we can get the solution graphically. But there also one condition is that if it is infinitely many solution, then we will get many solutions. But if it is a intersecting line, then only we get one solution. Like today's one question I have shown, x plus y equal to 10. That is first exercise 3.2, question number 1 Roman 1. What we got? That it was intersecting. Okay? Otherwise, it will not be. Okay? So let's see one of the question I will take. Question number 4 Roman 2. 4 Roman 2. First we will check. First, according to this question, first you have to check whether they are consistent or not. If consistent, then only you can draw. If it is not consistent, then no need. So let's see, number 4 Roman 2. A1 equal to how much? 1. B1 equal to minus 1. C1 equal to minus 8. A2 equal to 3. B2 equal to minus 3. C2 equal to minus 16. Then you see a 1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to 1 by 3 because minus minus, so minus minus gone. c1 by c2 equal to minus 8 by minus 16, got cancel, 1 by 2. That means a 1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means these two equations are inconsistent. These two equations are inconsistent. If you take out the set of points, then it will be parallel lines. So according to this question they are asking if consistent, then only you have to solve graphically. If it is not, no need. So as it is, no solution. So therefore inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay, so no need to solve. Now next. Question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36. Now first of all my question is that what is perimeter? Perimeter means total length of the boundary. Now rectangle opposite sides are equal. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 within bracket L plus B. So let's see. Question number 5. Write down let length be x meter and breadth be y meter. According to question, what is that? Half the first question is that length is 4 more than its breadth. So x equal to y plus 4. So you take that. First you take out the set of points. Set of points you take out. X, y, y0, 4, y1, 5, y minus 1, 3. 4, 0, 5, 1. Now next is the perimeter is 36. So 2x plus y equal to 36 implies x plus y equal to 18 implies x equal to 18 minus y. Then take out the points x, y. So y0 18, y1 17, y minus 1 it will be 19. Okay, so let's see graph. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Better I'll take a little bit this side so that all the points I can show. So let's see. This is x, this is x. So first So first is 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comma 0. 5 comma 1. 5. 5 comma 1. Next 3 comma minus 1. 3. 3 comma 1 minus 1. Next 18 comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 comma 0. Next 17 comma 1. This is the 1. 17 comma 1. And then 19 comma minus 1. So 19 comma minus 1. So you have to extend this line little more so that now you draw. This is the point of intersection. Okay? Now this point of intersection you have to count. See, if you draw this line, then here. So here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here, if you draw this line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 11 and 7, yes. 11 plus 7 equal to 18. And here you see 11 equal to 7 plus 4, 18. So the required value is how much? 11 comma 7. This is your solution. Clear? Don't forget to give the arrow mark. Okay? If you don't give the arrow mark, then it will be wrong. AB, and then this is CD, and also you write down the values 3 comma minus 1, 4 comma 0, then 5 comma 1, and this is 17 comma 1, 18 comma 0, and then 19 comma minus 1. Okay, clear? So this is the graph. There is a graph of question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6, actually I have explained yesterday that if one equation is given, how to find the equation of the another equation which will make both the equation maybe consistent, maybe unique solution, maybe inconsistent, maybe no solution, maybe inconsistent, that is infinite solution. So let's see, this is the question number 6. One equation given, you have to find another equation to check that it should be intersecting lines, it will be parallel lines, it will be coincident lines. Coincident lines means it will be infinite solution. Parallel lines means no solution. Okay, so let's see. Question number 6. Question number 6. See, what is the equation? Equation is twice x plus thrice y minus 8 equal to 0. Now first question is that intersecting lines. What do you have to do? It should be that means A1 by A2. You have to see that A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So I will give two situations. See, first, twice x minus thrice y minus 8 equal to 0. Now you see, 2 by 2 is 1 by 1, 3 by minus 3. I already told, even last question also I told, if one is positive and another is negative, definitely it is not equal. So it is not A1 by A2. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So you got one equation. Or you can write down this way also. Or thrice x, just you interchange, and then you will get thrice x plus twice y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, parallel lines means what? No solution. So no solution means what is the condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So let's see. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Not need to change this part. So twice x plus thrice y. What do you have to change? Not equal to C1 by C2. So that means instead of minus 8, we'll make it plus 8. So minus, once again minus, so not equal. This is the second one. Third one is coincident. Means what? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Then the same equation you can write down once again. Twice x, thrice y, minus 8 equal to 0. Or you can write down, say, 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0. Okay? Clear? Now question number 7 is also homework. Question number 7. Question number 7 is homework. Clear? Now next. Okay? So this one gone, then question number 7 is homework. Now next we are going to solve how to solve a pair of linear equation. How to solve. Now first we'll get the substitution method. Substitution method means what? First of all, try to understand that substitution. So now graph gone. Now we are going to next one. So next one is, first you try to understand. How to solve pair of linear equation. How to solve pair of linear equation. Another is first method. First method is substitution method. Now substitute, if I ask you substitute, means what? Suppose if I ask you substitute this book by this book, means what? In place of this book, you can keep this book. So this is known as substitution method. Suppose if I take an example, x plus y equal to 8. Now, what you have to do first, you make as a dependent equation, as already you got dependent equation. So this is dependent equation. This is equation number 1. And suppose we have the next equation is that x equal to twice y. X equal to twice y. So substitution method, we have to substitute this one. 8 minus twice, sorry, x 8 minus y equal to twice y. Using 1, or you can write down substituting the value of x. Either you can write down using 1, or you can write down substituting the value of x. Now you see twice y plus y equal to 8 implies thrice y equal to 8 implies y equal to 8 by 3. Now you got value of 1. Now this one you cannot use. Now you have to substitute the value of y in 1. So from 1 x equal to 8 minus 8 by 3. So it will be 24 minus 8 by 3 equal to 16 by 3. Therefore, x equal to 16 by 3, y equal to 8 by 3. Okay? Now let's see. Well, I'll do one question and then we'll continue in the next. Let's see. Roman 2, exercise 3.3. Roman 2. Roman 2. S minus t equal to 3 implies S equal to 3 plus t, equation number 1. Next, S by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Now once again, same as previous, that using 1 or substitute the value of s. Using 1 or substitute the value of s. So what is the value of s? S is 3 plus t by 3, t plus by 2 equal to 6. So using 1 or substituting the value of s. Now you take the LCM. 2, 3 plus t plus 3t divided by 6 equal to 6 implies 6 plus 2t plus 3t equal to 36 implies 5t equal to 36 minus 6 implies t equal to 30 by 5 implies t equal to 6. Now from 1, what is that? S equal to 3 plus t. What is the value of t? 6. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Therefore S equal to 9, t equal to 6. Okay? S equal to 9, t equal to 6. So this one, question number 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be homework. 1, 3, 4, 5 homework. This is this one. Okay. Now after that last class, a student asked one question, that optional exercise question number 4. Optional exercise question number 4. Let's see what was the question. Optional exercise question number 4. I think I have done that one. So still then, let's see once again. Optional exercise, polynomial chapter, optional exercise question number 4. So first of all, factors. (2.4) question number 4. Factors equal to x minus 2 minus root 3. X minus 2 plus root 3. Here 2 plus minus root 3. That means what are the zeros? 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Now you see, if I have taken 2 plus root 3, then minus. So plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus. Now if I have taken 2 minus root 3, then minus 2, minus into minus plus. So this one. Now you take out the product. What is the product? x minus 2 minus root 3, x minus 2 plus root 3. Then x, this is a minus b, a plus b formula. That is a square minus b square. So this one, x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3, x square minus 4x plus 1. Now let's see, divide. X to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. X square minus 4x plus 1. So see, three conditions I told. What are the conditions? Sign, coefficient, power. So sign both positive, positive, coefficient 1, 1, degree 4, 2. So x square. X to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. Minus, plus, minus. So this one gone. Minus 2x cube plus 25x square plus 138x. Now sign opposite. So minus, coefficient 2, 1. So 2. Then x minus 2x cube. Then minus and minus plus, plus 8x square. Plus 8x square. Then minus 2x. Minus 2x. So what is that? Plus. Then what is that? Minus. Okay. Then what is that? Plus. So here what is that? If I subtract 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8. How much it will be? How much? 17. Yes or not? 17. Whether I have done any mistake, please check. Once again, 25. So it was 4x square, 4, 4, 3. So it is minus 6x cube. Minus 26. Sorry, I have done mistake here. Sorry. So minus. So it is minus. So minus. It will be 27. So minus. So it is minus 35 x square. Then plus 140x minus 35. So see, once again, opposite sign. So minus, minus. Then here 1, there 35, degree, both are same. So 35. So 35 minus 35 x square plus 140x minus 35. Plus, minus, plus. So 0. 0. So now you factorize. X square minus twice x minus 35. X square. So minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. X minus 7 plus 5 x minus 7 x minus 7 x plus 5. So what are the zeros? If all the zeros, then 2 plus minus root 3 comma 7 comma minus 5. So this way you can send your confusion in my WhatsApp and I can take up the question in the next day. Okay, so till then, bye bye.